Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to put this head strap on your JBL Quantum 650 wireless headphones. So as you can see, you need to at first detect how does it fit. For me it fits like this or like this. It doesn't really make any difference, so you know. So at first put this hole straight onto this thing, onto this hook, and now I don't know how to show you this so that it will be clear, but you know, this hole onto this, and now just push it with your finger. That's it. Now the second side here, let me show you this somehow comfortable, and now this hole onto this thing, and now push it, and it's done. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.